Can we all hold hands?
Yeah, my yeah, back,
Can you thank you? Yeah. Before I pray, as I'm going to pray, I just want to say thank you for everyone's support. Amen. Brothers with the vehicle, thank you very much. And Niazo Samba and Shatwin, we see so shatalo. Amen. Yeah, we see so shatalo. So Sambanan. And this cat and at this chance for my time I thought. So tell it definitely na sin mo ben so so we really thank God na babon give us the sabon. Can we close our eyes and bow our heads? Let's us pray the common prayer after me as he taught us. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done. In earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us our trespasses. As we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Let's give the Lord.